Well, itong ating kasamahan dito sa ABC Sports, Rado de Malibot sends his greetings sa mga Salas family of Talibon, Bohol, mga pinsan, and Mayor Manuel Molina of Carmen, Bohol, at yung iba pang mga tropa niya dyan.
Yan, ha? Sige, papawat namin yan.
Umabot na.
So, papuntahin mo dito para may uwi kami para sa'yo, eh.
On the line is Richard Yee, always a hard worker off the bench para sa Pure Foods. Kaya lang mintis yung kanyang dalawang free throws. At di gumalaw itong 5-point lead ng Pure Foods, 32-27. Here's Holcomb. Swipe by Raimundo. Here comes James Yap. James Yap on the move. All the way, no go. Villanueva will score.
The biggest lead by the Giants. Alam itong puntos. Tumatakbo ang Pure Foods. Hindi makasabay ang Alaska. Ito naging weapon ng Giants dito. Giants strides.
Giants try